Hey, it's Jason with Dad's That Cook, and I'm hanging out with my buddy Jim. We're hanging on Hawaii, and we've got a special treat. We're going to be making some stuff with Spam. It was developed in 1937. Hormel made it. It's basically spice and ham, but it has a long shelf life and it worked really, really well. And now we know how popular it is here on Maui and in Hawaii altogether.
For generations, people have tried to figure out a way to make this stuff taste good. And we were just messing around the other day and came up with an idea that should be wild and crazy and fun.
You know, we're going to go a little bit on the Hawaiian side of things, a little bit on my Greek side of things with the SPAMaKopita, but we're going to make it SPAMaKopita today. We're going classic. Okay, for this pizza version.
You got a triangle, cut it again, and now you got small triangles. That's ready, right on time. Oh boy, it's delicate. Butter between the layers, because butter makes everything better.
Oh yeah, you know, just double wrap it like that.
A little basil leaf, because, you know, it's pizza. We love sriracha in Hawaii. This is like every house, every restaurant, they hand you this stuff. And then a little bit of cheese.
Jim, now you told me before you used to work in restaurants and you were a chef.
I reinvented myself as an artist because I just wanted to have a job that I could grow old that was dignified. I'm genuinely excited to see which one is the best.
Oh, that's perfect.
Obviously the first one was an experiment. Okay.
So what are we making, the Hawaiian version now?
Yep.
That's the Hawaiian edition. We're doing a little pineapple, jalapeno we're gonna throw in there, get it spicy again. So yeah, we'll have to go over to the gallery too and go check out Jim's works.
I paint rock stars. There's one of them there. You probably recognize.
Oh yeah, I know that guy.
And I really am very, very influenced from pop culture.
Look at that. That's perfect.
Triangle.
SPAMaKopita is going to be the new thing here on Maui and Hawaii. Some food truck somewhere is going to grab this and go, oh, that's a great idea, and pretend like it was theirs. But no, Jim on Dad's That Cook. He's blindfolded, and now he's going to chop his mushrooms.
We're going to see who's faster.
Go.
Yeah, mine got slippery. Put a little Casamigos in our little mushroom, spinach, leeks. That's going to be the filling, right, bud?
That's the traditional.
The traditional.
We're doing 3 on these.
You're going to go 3 layers first.
Well, because the SPAMaKopita is...
Yeah, it's got more in it. We're going to throw a little Tutu's Pantry. We're going to do some smoked salt seasoning. We're going to throw that in there, too. We got our little innards here. I mean, I could just see you doing this for 12 hours a day, you know? You and your food truck that you're going to start now.
Oh, yeah, food truck.
It's going to be the SPAMaKopita food truck. That's all you're going to serve. South Maui Gardens is going to have a SPAMaKopita food truck next. Oh, that's banging. See, look at that. That's like perfect.
I'm coming into my own right now. It's going in the oven, baby.
We got 370, like 20 minutes.
Okay. Ooh.
Yeah?
Wow.
Yeah?
All right, well, we got Bootsy here to be an unbiased observer and taster. Everybody get a Hawaiian.
Pineapple on it? All right.
Rate them all from 1 to 10.
All right, here we are, the pineapple. I'm going to tell you, it's like one of those things that you might even want like on a late night snack, you know what I mean?
I'm going to give this one a 9.
Let's try the pizza one.
I'm just going to say, it just needs
You wanted more spice.
It just needs a little
I can
sriracha.
feel the spice though. Now we're going to eat the traditional. Wow. I love the mushroom in it.
I'm just going to go on a limb and quote Bootsy. You can't compare a lily and a rose. They're all equal.
You're gonna up your spam game. You better start making some SPAMaKopita.
This is a revelation right here. 3rd and long.